Hello guys, good afternoon. This is a Pralix pause for restaurant and cafe. Now today I am going to show you about the cash register, how you have to start your restaurant in the morning and how you can do the closing at the night. So when you start in the morning, first you have to go to the cash register, and here is you can see that session status. Okay, so now there is no session. For an example, today we are having a 10 real in the cash drawer. So you put the 10 real and open cash register. So this way you can open the cash register. Here you will see the 10 real is your opening balance. Cash sales is showing 0, but when we will do the sale, it will come up here. So now I will show you. So we can make 2 orders in cash. So this is the KOT we have generated. Now we'll see order. So here there is an order. Now we can do the bill and payment. So we make the 320 paisa in the cash. Now we can make one more order for the card. So we order Hyderabadi chicken biryani. That is, let's do the bill and payment directly in the card. Now card sale is also done. Let's do one more chicken burger, 2 chicken burger, bill and payment. Let's try in the bank transfer. So now we done the bank transfer. So you can see we made a 3 sales. Now end of the day we will again go back to the cash register. Before you close your restaurant, you have to verify this. Close your register, then you check here, there is a cash match is 10 real 320. So 320 is your sales in the cash, and the 10 real we kept in the cash drawer, and there is a bank transfer is 1.680. Verify this also, and the card sale is 2.630 real. So now we will verify 10 real 320. So today we got 2 5 real notes, 300s, and 1 note of those 2. So here it is 00. Now 30 paisa is extra. So here we will just send submit for approval. This way you have closed your cash. So next day again you do the same procedure, and for the admin they can also go to the approvals. They check here, there is a 2 session. One is the 14.60, that is yesterday, and today we did 10.650. So let's approve both of them. So it is approved by the admin, and then you go to the report. In the report section you will see 10 real 320 paisa is for the cash. All this you will get it, and if you want you can also print this session report from here. So let's print that. So directly you will receive that print in your printer. Done. Thank you so much.